Mash the boiled potatoes in a bowl. Add chopped onions, green chilies, coriander, salt, red chili powder, and other spices into the mashed potatoes. Mix everything well until a smooth potato filling is formed. Place white bread slices on a wooden cutting board. Trim the edges of the bread if needed. Take one bread slice and spread an even layer of the potato mixture on it. Cover it with another bread slice to make a sandwich. Press gently to seal. Cut the sandwich neatly into pieces. Heat oil in a frying pan. Carefully place the prepared potato sandwiches into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy on both sides.